Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add a Squirrel Mail to Gmail app. You can easily access your email through Gmail app and you will never miss any email. So let's start our work. First open your Gmail app. Click on Gmail accounts icon. Click on add another account. Click on other. Type your student email address. Click on next. Select personal IMAP. Now type password of your student email address. Click on next. Now type stm.eng.rus.ac.lk as server. Click on next. Click on edit settings. Choose none as security type. Click on next. Now type stm.eng.rus.ac.lk as SMTP server. Click on next. Click on edit settings. Choose none as security type. Type 25 as port. Click on next. If you like, enable this option. Click on next. Type your name. Click on next. Now go back to your Gmail app. Click on Gmail accounts icon. Now you can see your student email address. Click on it. Now you can see your emails.